What? You killed me 2 times with an RPG? That's it! I'm turning this game off, noobs! I can't reach the TV. I can't reach the TV! What am I gonna do?
Wait a minute. Are you having trouble turning off your TV after an intense gaming session? Well, Billy Mays, me, has the perfect solution. Introducing the remote. That way you never have to use your lazy butt to actually turn off the TV. You can just click this button instead. The remote comes handy in lots of occasions, like turning off your TV. The remote can also be used as a deadly weapon for your worst enemies. NFL was cancelled?
I almost finished the book.